been a menace to the
Hey, this is Dr. J, Spike and Kamal talking baseball before we start. Baseball starts tomorrow, is it?
World Series.
Game one at Toronto. And I don't know who's pitching. It says TBD last I looked.
He's a good player.
Yeah, Snell for the Dodgers. Dodgers are probably heavily favored, although I didn't look. I have a bet already on Toronto.
Well, Toronto's a scrappy team.
Yeah. And Kamal, you're not interested, right, in baseball?
No, I'm not into the World Series that only includes the United States.
You called
That's right. Hey,
you called
appropriately named, my friend.
Kamal
World Series.
Kamal was like a genius with the stocks the other day.
Yeah, I'm learning from you, man.
Like a genius. You went in at the right
Learning
time.
from you.
Got out right away. Tremendous.
Did you hear about this guy who was second, who came in second on a running race?
What about him?
Some guy came in second.
Yeah.
In a running race. There was only 2 people in the race.
Oh.
It's like the World Series.
So you're drawing an analogy with
Yeah. I think Japanese they play baseball too.
They do. They play a lot of baseball.
Yeah.
They're very big in Japan.
Yeah, but that's about it.
We stole all their best players.
Yeah.
We paid them
Like
a lot.
in high school, all the kids who win the math competitions are all Chinese.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and when they go compete, like American students, they compete with Chinese students, and whoever wins is always Chinese people.
Do you think it's cultural emphasis on?
I believe so too. Yes.
Yep, that's important. The environment, family environment.
Speaking of which, the New York City Marathon's coming up.
Oh yeah, are you entering?
I do the there is a marathon we at Jones Beach. It's like 3.5 miles. I've done that like maybe a handful of times.
Yeah.
But that's about it. 3.5 miles is my max.
Right, 5K, and that's that.
Yeah, that's it.
5K and done.
Ken found us. It's possible to find us. It's not easy, but it's possible. I gave 1 hour notice this time, so maybe a few people will find us. And if you do find us, don't forget to subscribe. We're still like 5 people away from 3,000 on subscriptions. I don't know what it means. If we get, X amount, means nothing.
But the thing is, the suspense. If you get above 3,000, then you're gonna ask for 4,000.
Yeah, well, it's a well-kept secret.
Right.
We're a well-kept secret.
I wouldn't say we're about 5 people short of 3,000. We should say we are in the thousands. You have subscribers in the thousands.
We are very.
Yeah, that's true. We do. And some of them have been following for years because we've been doing this for years.
Yeah, we're doing this for quite a while, actually.
And we don't care about the money aspect. We don't. I haven't even been running ads lately. I figure why torture people with the ads? All right, so it was a very good day till now on Wall Street. And it's set to close now. I think we closed near the highs, right?
Well, it was a bump up from yesterday. I bought some stocks end of day yesterday, and I sold them today. I made some money on all of them.
That's great.
That's good.
You want to rehash what they were? You told everyone yesterday.
Yeah, bmnr. I bought and sold CIFR. What else?
IREN.
IREN. Yes, I made good money on that one.
Yeah, that was a tough one to pick. It was solid red for 5 days.
Yes, I thought it filled the gap, and then I thought it's going to go back up, and it did. And ETHV, I sold that as well.
So you cashed everything.
Not everything. I still have strategy. I'm stuck with strategy.
Oh yeah, that's
Yep.
behind it.
Stuck. Holding the bag.
And I bought EOSE.
Uh-huh.
I think in around like 15 or so, but it's down.
Yeah, I'm still suffering with that one. All right, let's chart. Who wants to chart today? Spike, you haven't in a while. You want to?
All right, I can do it.
All right.
Can I
Take
chart
a
the
look.
SPY for just at the beginning? Just the SPY.
Who wants to look at the SPY first? Then we'll
Just
look.
the SPY.
All right, let's fight over who's charting.
No, just the
He
SPY.
he
I'll
can
look
do
at
it.
the SPY, and that's about it.
All right, let's. I don't see yours. I only see Spikes.
Screen down now.
Now, okay. There you go.
Do you see my chart?
Yeah.
So this is the channel that I have drawn a while ago, and if I do the 5-year, you can see that it's like a really perfect channel. So this is the year to date, and I have multiple hits here on the top, and multiple hits here on the bottom. Okay, and I was intrigued by what Professor Omar said yesterday. If you see here, we are in this channel for a few months now, okay? And here we're hitting this high, which is like 674, 675 type of thing. And we hit it and go down, we approach it and we go down. And yesterday, Professor Omar drew this line, and he says, it might be toggling a little bit here. And then once, I guess, we reach here, it's going to go down, okay? I just want to say that this has been on an upward trend since like May. We are in end of October right now, so it's a good 6 months. It's a good trend, and he's thinking that maybe somewhere here in this area that it's going to go down. But if you see here, it's respecting the 50 so far. It's the line I drew is matching the 50-day moving average the past 3 months since August, September, and October.
So it has tremendous support.
Yes, it has tremendous support right now. But the thing that I wanted to reiterate is what Professor Omar said yesterday about it being stuck here.
It also has a lot of resistance up there. Yeah.
Correct. Lots of resistance. So I drew this line, this horizontal line, if you see it.
So it's got to break one way or the other within days.
That's what I'm thinking. Within, I would say, a week or two, tops, within the next 2 weeks.
Well,
Either
I think
break
1
up
week.
or it's going to break down.
1 week. Within a
Right,
week.
roughly 1 week. And he said something to the extent that this is going to be the support, like maybe the 100-day moving average, 63, like roughly right here.
That makes sense. If you draw that line horizontal, you'll see, I think it hits one of your candles in the channel.
Yes, I noticed that as well.
Yeah.
So if we do something like this.
That's right. It's got support there.
Yeah, something like that.
Yep.
Okay, that's all I wanted to bring up.
Thank you for that chart. It's very interesting.
Yeah. Can you now?
All right, now I'll take that off and I'll put Spike's chart on. Spike, you want to do? What do you want to start with? BTC.
Well, I was looking at Joby not because it was good news, but only because it happened to be one of my holdings that I've been holding for a while. Well, it's your call.
Whatever you like. What do you got up there?
This is Joby. This is the company that does the electronic helicopters.
Oh, the car that flies?
The car that flies, essentially, yes.
Electronic?
Yes.
Electric, right?
Battery-operated helicopters.
Yeah, battery.
They've been hitting their lows again, so I don't know. It might be. I'd say there's probably a buying opportunity right around over in here.
Yeah, it looks like it's a trend line, right? If you connect the bottom of this candle, right?
Oh, this one here.
It looks like you have a little trend line there.
Yeah, if you go here up, right? Let me see.
Pretty close. Well, you definitely have support in that area. What is that?
I mean, you've been trending for a while like this, but
That's
it's sort of been losing that.
broke below the trend.
Right. It's so yeah. So I'm thinking right around in here where this, you know how our friend Kamal likes breaks. So right around in here, around 14.5 might be a place to get back in.
Looks like it.
Anyway, that was one of the ones I was looking at, and as always, I look at IBM.
I kicked myself why I didn't buy more when it dropped today.
IBM, you know, I mean, I'm still an ecolite for IBM, but it's not been rewarding me.
And beautiful candle.
Yeah, well, right. It was up here and then went back up here.
It dropped to the moving average and bounced.
Right. I don't know. I doubt if I picked any up over here. Would have been happy if I had.
Really sorry. I thought about buying it and I didn't. I added to my Tesla, but I didn't add to my IBM. Oh well.
Yeah, these things happen. So even on the day it's down, and on after hours it's down.
I think the gift likes the stockbroker Web Bull, and the other one he likes is QS. QS is a battery.
That's IBM. This is IBM chart. Wow.
Yeah, IBM is no. We had IBM before, didn't we?
No, this is IBM.
Oh, this is IBM.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get it to fit my screen here.
I thought we were looking at IBM.
I still am. I just, like I said, I'm trying to make it fit here. Okay, there we go.
Yeah, I mean, this candle says it all. Buy it. What a recovery candle. I offered for terrible earnings report. I like the quantum plays now.
Yeah, I mean, the thing was the quantum plays were being, you know, and IBM was explicitly left out, even though IBM really is a quantum play.
The leader in quantum.
Right.
And Google is leader in quantum. A lot of publicity about the Willow chip. Can you plot Google? Chart Google.
Well, here's the other quantum.
They're all over the news with Willow.
This was the one that hit today, that everybody liked.
D-Wave.
Not D-Wave, but the other one, QUBT.
A lot of the Qs are up. I think our government is interested in taking a share.
So you wanted to see Google, right?
We may get.
You think Google is a quantum play also?
Yeah, Google is definitely a quantum play.
There you go.
Okay, gave back a little off the top, but very little. Google is one of my favorites in holdings as the Mag 7. I have the most Amazon, but second most Google.
And the gift is asking for QS.
Yeah, that's a battery maker.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Let me see where I am here.
Very bullish Google. I think you could easily get 300 by the end of the year.
So let's look at QS as to satisfy the request.
I'm very optimistic that we get a very strong October, November, December. Well, November, December. October is mostly done.
QuantumScape took a little bit of a hit, and that's recovering, like you said.
Just like EOSC, similar. I think I don't know if they compete.
Right around. I mean, the trend line. Well, this was the sort of trend line we had for it. So if we put that here, in terms of its growth rate.
The gift is what wants to add at around 11. It gets there. And Mega How to Man likes AMD.
Which one?
AMD is liked by.
Oh, AMD is heartbreaking. I sold that way too soon.
Yeah.
So here's AMD for those of you who have thick
Has a
skin.
major part of the SMH, which you are.
Right, the SMH has been very good, but yeah, look at this jump here, and then just still on the trend.
Yeah, it's a baby cup and handle. Huh? Baby cup.
And there's no way it's making it. What do you think, Kamal? Do you think it'll ever come down into this fill? And
Definitely.
you definitely think yes.
Yes.
I guess that's when you'll be a buyer.
Of course. You know what I'm hoping for? I don't get caught in this correction. I know there is a correction coming, a massive one. I'm trying my best not to get caught in that correction.
Ken likes BBAI, so do I.
Yeah, I'm still in that one. Thing is, if there is going to be a correction, it's most likely going to be hitting the ones they keep talking about, the ones that I'm in, quantum, energy,
waiting.
AI.
Aren't you tired of waiting for Godot?
Now, look at this. Big Bear actually taking a hit recently.
But what I'm saying is you can't always be worried about that correction that never comes.
Never comes. It came multiple times. I got caught so many times in that.
No, I'm talking about this year. Only once did we dip. Right?
Yeah, the April 2nd debacle.
In April we're down. We're down more than 10%, right?
So if there is a trend line, it looks like that's it.
Yeah.
Maybe I can move it up a little bit.
So it's that support, one of the moving averages. I don't know which one.
The red one is the 20 and the black one's the 50. So you're right, the 50 might very well be providing support. So this might be the time to get back in.
I would never. Of course, my opinion.
Fill that gap. Can you do the 1 month?
The 1 month?
There's a gap below where it's trading. Yeah.
Yeah, there is a gap.
This one here?
Maybe 3 months.
This one here.
3 months. 3 months.
Oh, 3 months. 3 months. There you go. This one there?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, it's been filled, but
yeah, this one right there. Yeah, this one.
Okay.
I mean, which
is exactly where the moving average is.
It's like a falling knife, you know.
Well, it did recover this last candle.
Well, if you liked IREN, you could like this one too.
Yeah. You know, IRN was hyped a lot, and multiple times I was going to buy it, and it keeps dropping and keeps dropping. Then it filled the gap. That's why I bought it.
This one was hyped a lot, too. If you want
I did very good, actually, in IRN. I bought a lot yesterday. I was crazy. I bought a lot, and I did very good.
I never would have bought that with that chart.
Yeah, I know. You told me.
I don't know. It might be worth getting back into this one.
This one I'm tempted, but not this chart. It looks like support bounced off the 50 roughly. Or it didn't get there, whatever. It looks like 50 might hold up.
So what is this? Artificial intelligence? Is that real artificial intelligence?
Yeah, we've been looking at this one for a little while.
It's a baby PLTR. It's a baby Palantir. I like it. Of course, our opinions are what? Strictly our own, not investment advice, right?
I don't even have opinions.
No, you don't have opinions.
All I have is sob stories.
Oh. Well, some of us are doing very well. Why aren't you, Professor?
Yeah, come on. Why why am I? Because I don't listen to you.
You should be doing very well this year.
I'm doing better than I cry about.
No, I mean, I know you have some pretty good ones.
Yeah.
You have Lily,
I have
maybe
Lily. I have the quantums.
IBM,
I have IBM. Yeah. No, I have some stuff. I have some stuff that I like.
Walmart, right?
Still holding
Unless you have
Walmart.
1,000 shares of each one of those, you have at least 1,000 shares of each one of those, right, Spike?
It's not,
You know,
I think I have 1,000 shares total across my whole portfolio.
well, you have some quality in there.
3 of these, 8 of those, 20 of those adds up.
Yeah, definitely it does.
Right.
I mean, it's true. It adds
I
up.
mean, I think my whole portfolio is an hour of your trading, my friend.
Kamal, not everybody's in your class as a trader.
No, 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 no. I didn't mean it that way.
That's okay, because that's what the truth is. But it's still fun. I mean, this is great stuff.
It is fun. The
I
suspense is
think
fun.
that you can enjoy the stock market with a little bit of money, and Kamal proves you can enjoy it with a lot of money. But what's the difference? It's really the same charge. If you're in it for the adrenaline.
It is. It is.
Right.
But when I bet $2 on a horse, I get charged more.
Right. This is why I don't need to get into FanDuel.
Mega How to Man. He likes SOXL, those.
Is it worth? It's worth looking at one of these. Let's look at
Well,
SMA.
you want to see the supercharged Qs, TQQQ? What is that, double, triple?
4 Qs.
2 times, right? TQQQ. Let's chart TQQQ.
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 That
Can't even
one?
say it.
The Ultra.
The Ultra, yeah, double, triple, whatever it is. It's basically the same chart, only magnified as QQQ.
Right.
3 times, says Mega Man.
Makes sense. T for triple.
Yeah, T
T for 2 and 2 for T.
Look at that big red bar. Wow. It still hasn't climbed out of that. It will. Looks like it's coming to a head, right?
So the 100-day moving is the black one is what? Your 100 or
50.
50?
If you draw this triangle, it looks like any day now it'll give birth.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah. And I suspect it breaks north.
Something, even what Kamal showed before looked like it was a bear flag. A
Yeah,
bull
that's
flag, sorry, a bull flag. It looked like it was going up.
Looks bullish to me, but what do I know? Everything looks bullish.
You got to respect the Momo.
I'm very much a bull, so Tesla has been my favorite.
We'll do Tesla next. I want to just look at the semiconductors.
SMH.
Yeah.
What a beautiful chart. I added some today.
Did you?
Yeah.
It looks like it's really hitting the brick wall up here, and I'm just wondering what's going to happen.
It's got resistance to once it gets past that resistance. It's the same triangle almost as the Qs.
Yeah. I don't know. I was afraid, but I might be wrong, that there'd be another downswing before it gave a nice good push for the.
I mean, this is a yo-yo market. If one day it's up and you feel emotionally great, next day it's collapsing.
Right.
And then the next day it's
You're
up.
right. The triangle the triangle does show a bull flag if you're going to draw it.
Yeah, but I mean, it's got to break through that wall. There's a wall of resistance.
Because that would be the top, right? And then this would be the bottom of it. Oops, sorry.
Tesla, Tesla was a great pickup when it went down yesterday.
Let's look at Tesla. So
I
you're right.
picked
This may very well.
I picked up
come
what.
to a head very soon. This semiconductors.
Oh, I think it will. I think it's going to break north. I think it goes right through that, and I think it does it. It's not going to look back. NVIDIA leading the way.
Okay, well, it's worth holding on to then.
What stock is this?
This is SMH. This is the semis.
Oh, SMH, right? It's SMH.
Carmelo World.
So let's look at Tesla.
Likes SMCI. Carmelo.
And then we should look at that one also, because I'm getting creamed on that one. Not creamed. It's just a fish.
It doesn't want to go up. That's one of the.
Let's talk a little bit about Tesla first. Tesla is still hitting high numbers.
Yeah, I love this stock long term.
I mean, even on bad news.
I just buy it all the time.
But I think we have an opportunity right here in this gap.
I buy a minimum of 5 shares.
You see that 100, and you see that gap fill. I know you don't like to get that control, but I still think I can get this below 400.
It could go down there. It's possible.
That 100 is going to be a support, and it will fill that gap at like 396 or whatever.
Could be.
Yeah, right there.
I'm surprised. It had an excuse to do it yesterday, didn't it?
It had. I was tempted, but it didn't. It didn't get there.
Yeah.
I was looking at it.
Yeah. All right. So what about
what was the other one that you said?
Carmelo wants SMCI.
Oh, SMCI, yeah, the fish.
And then SBET after that. SBET.
Sharplink Gaming. Supermicro. This one is not behaving like it should. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's at support though, so if ever it's going to turn around, this would be it.
I sold this at 65. I broke even.
If it goes much below this support line, this moving average, I'd swap into something else. What would you do, Kamal?
After my experience with this, I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole.
Yeah, I feel the same way. It's like it doesn't exist to me.
My price basis on this guy is 75.
Mine was like 65 or 64. I sold it for.
I bought it
a nice loss on it. I don't remember. I block it out of my mind when I take a loss.
Exactly. This really dropped like in the 30s or something.
Carmelo, I don't know what to tell you, Carmelo. It should hold, but if it doesn't, it's trouble. The gift. Is MSTR ever going to hit 400 by end of year? I think so. That's a good one. Good question. You want to look at MSTR?
You might as well. It's another one I'm losing on.
My average is high on this one, like 326.
Yeah, right. Easily like 340 to 350 for me.
Mega Man says don't touch SMCI. Buy something else.
So I guess it's funny. This is which one? This one is actually a Bitcoin adjacent, right?
What?
This one here.
Could you remove? Yeah.
MicroStrategy.
Everyone knows what it is. It's a treasury company for Bitcoin. They buy Bitcoin. That's what they do. They have 3% of the total supply.
Could you do the 3 months on this one?
Sure.
It's been horrible.
Correct. It's been horrible.
This is the 3 month right here.
Okay, so it's clearly on a downtrend.
There is good news. The good news is if Bitcoin goes surges, this will go up.
But will it hit 400? That's the question.
Yes, I think Bitcoin goes up to at least 150 by the end of the year. Probably 180.
Really?
That should be enough for this to surge.
Yes. I'm out at 365. If this one has 365,
Yeah.
I think there was something about 365. That's why I picked that number.
You could see 400 on this, believe it or not, by end of the year. I'm not saying you will, but you could. It wouldn't shock me. Wouldn't shock me
So
one.
as far as could you do like maybe 1 year? Are we hitting like resistance or yeah? So where it stopped,
The CEO killed the stock by offering preferred on it. I don't know.
But you see where it stopped? Like there's multiple hits in the past at that level, 280.
Yeah. I know it's definitely a fair price though.
I mean, with this double, it's like a triple bottom right here in the middle here.
Mm-hmm.
That's much lower. What is that? Is that about 200?
What, the low right over here?
Oh, it's right here. You know, with a triple bottom. Yeah,
Triple bottom.
bring it down. Bring it down. Yeah, right there. Lower.
Oh yeah, the triple bottom is 235.
Wow.
Yeah, that could get there too.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be shocked if it's 235 and 400 by the end of the year. Nothing would shock me.
Nice brownie in motion for you.
It's very, very volatile.
So,
same coin.
Well, bmnr is a little bit better behaved.
Yes, it is. That's because Tom Lee gets on CNBC every day and pumps it. You get a daily pump. Or one of his buddies pump it. Ethereum, I like. I mean, you gotta like Ethereum now, with the blockchain getting a lot of publicity. Especially
this is my play on it.
Stable coins mainly runs on Ethereum. So it's
again, it's hitting stable bottom. You're right. There's a lot that could happen at this point. I think I actually bought a couple right around this price.
Doesn't this look like good support right where it is?
It does.
Looks like good support to me.
I mean, I sold some when it was around up in here, and I didn't have an opportunity to buy back when it went up in here. So now, yeah, here's the shot, and even these bottoms are sort of suggesting that.
Did we go over everything? I didn't list that much, so I think we went over everything.
I didn't get to see your list. Let's see.
He didn't do iron.
bmnr iren. You want to do iren?
Nah.
SBET. Could you do SBET?
SBET?
Yeah.
That one?
Joplin Gaming. It's an Ethereum treasury play.
So if you do the 100-day moving average at SBET, it's sitting right there at the 100.
Yeah, I have I don't have the 100, so.
Yeah, it's sitting at the 100. That's what I wanted to point out.
All right, so that could be a bullish sign. This one is number 2 in my mind to bmnr, Ethereum plays. So why not? I sold my other one. What was that? BTBT? I made money. I sold.
Oh, BTBT, right?
You sold all of it, or you kept a souvenir?
I sold all of it. Come on.
Oh, you're learning. I'm rubbing off of you now.
You're rubbing off on me, yeah. Well, actually, not quite, because I sold them in 2 parts. That was the second part.
Okay. Yeah, I think this one has a potential.
I think so too. Looks like a very ripe turnaround spot play. I mean, it's been really high, so if it comes right back halfway, that would be big. It could go to 25. This one. Why not?
Yeah, if you, like I said, if you do the 100-day moving average, it's sitting right at it.
Yeah.
Okay, we did
That-
good today.
We did good, right?
Yes.
We did good. Let me remove this. Put this back on, and we'll do our picks for Friday. Are we gonna have an upmarket Friday tomorrow?
I have my doubts.
We usually say good Friday, good Thursday is followed by Good Friday,
Usually, yes.
but not tomorrow because this was too good a Thursday.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So
It's usually people like to do some sell-off before the weekend. That's what I notice.
so you're looking for a little pullback for you to get back into your crypto plays.
Correct.
And Spike, what about you?
Well, I'm actually thinking the pullback's already occurring. That's why I'm loading into Ethereum again.
Yeah, I like Ethereum. I own ETHV. I might add. I can see myself adding some, but I have a habit of clicking on the Tesla button for buy.
You have a special button for Tesla.
Special button for Tesla. All right, so that's it for the week, and we'll see everyone back here at the beginning of next week on Monday, I guess. Shooting for Monday.
Yep.
Take care, guys.
Take care.
Sounds
Bye.
good.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, viewers.